Okay, so got my container here, and I'm going to fill it with this mix that you saw me create. It's wet because my top has a crack in it I didn't know about, and it's been raining a lot, so the soil's mix is pretty saturated, and we're just gonna have to work with it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take an amount almost full here, and I'm gonna plop this in the microwave. But before I do that, I'm gonna rinse off the outside. Alright, I've got my container here, and I did rinse it off. I don't want to put anything in the microwave with anything on it. The lid is not all the way tight. It's a little bit loose, so no pressure will build up. And we're going to put it in there initially for 1.5 minutes, and then every time after that 1 minute. I know it's mentioned to do it at 1 minute intervals, but I know from experience in this size container, you need at least 1.5 minutes to start off with. Alright, when it gets done, I'll bring you back. Alright, I've got the mixture. I'm going to tighten the lid and shake it just like this. The only reason why I'm doing that is because microwaves don't cook evenly, so I'm going to shake it and get the temperature. Bring you down here for the tripod. The temperature dispersed as evenly as possible. I've got a thermometer here. It's a digital one. I don't know what it's actually used for. I was afraid it wasn't going to come on. Okay, finally it came on. I'm going to stick it down in there and get a reading on the temperature. Doesn't look like it did it, warmed it hardly at all, did it? Okay, another minute, and we'll continue this process. Second go. Yep, definitely warmer this time. Lid's on, shake it up. Let it sit for just a few seconds to even out a little bit. And the thermometer is on. I accidentally left it on. Let's put it in there now. Okay. Look at that. We're starting to get there now. It's not rising too fast, so we're going to go another minute. Might help if I turn that microwave light on, huh? Let's sit for just a second. Normally this would not be this wet. It doesn't really hurt it that much. It makes it a little harder to get into the cells. Alright, let's look and see where we're at now. I think I need to replace the battery in that thermometer. It hasn't been replaced since I got it many years ago. Alright, it looks like we're kind of evening out around the 125 mark. Let's do it again. Let's see where we're at now. By the way, when you figure it out, you know, your moisture level and this is going to be about the same every time. So I know the next time I fill it, I'll fill it the same, and it'll be the same amount of time, the same number of times to put it in the microwave for a minute, shake it, put it back. I won't have to keep measuring the temperature, just the final temperature. Okay, we need to add another minute. Seems to have stopped at 132. We're at 146. We're going up. We're at 153 and rising. It's a good thing this thing has like little handles on it. Otherwise this could get really hot and you should wear gloves. 170 and climbing. We're almost there. 174. 175. We got to get to at least 180. Alright, we're at 184 and climbing. We've met our minimum. I only put it on for 30 seconds because we're really close. We're at 190 now. It's not going to get any lower, and even if it goes over 200 a little bit, which I'm sure it won't, and it's slowing down, we're done anyway. So this is all I do. This is how I sanitize it. You saw the process here. Now I'm simply going to take it outside, put it on one of the trays in a big pile to let it cool down, and continue on sanitizing more soil because I've got a lot of tomatoes to do.